What's up, everybody? This is Jeremy from Octane TV. Today we're going to be doing a video on this Botslab. This is a dash cam, and this is the G980H multi-channel dash cam. This has multiple ways of doing almost a 360 view with two cameras on the side and a rear camera as well. So basically you have four cameras on this dash cam, which is pretty awesome because most of the newer dash cams you have a front and a rear. That's where this one's going to be a little bit more superior and show you all four angles of what you'll see inside your car. So we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review and kind of telling you what we love about this particular product. Stay tuned. All right, so we're going to open this box up that is from, I hope I'm saying this correctly, Botslab. This is a 360 all-around protection. It says voice control, built-in GPS. This is the G980H multi-channel dash cam. So we're going to go ahead and open this box up and show you what's inside. I will say it does come with a very, very nice hard box. That's not like a cheap box. This thing's, it's actually a really nice box. Now these are all the parts that come inside the box. We went ahead and opened up the boxes that come inside of here, and we want to show you all the components that come inside. That's what you're really mainly concerned about, is what parts you're going to get with this. So it does come with an SD card, which most do not give you, which is pretty awesome that they do that. This is the main unit right here, and I have not ripped off the stickers yet, so we'll do that here in a minute. There's the adhesive backing so you can mount this onto your windshield. It's got a USB Type-C on this side and a USB Type-C on this side, and also your memory card slot on the top. Looks like some ventilation parts on the back, and then a full LCD. Now, the reason why those Type-Cs are on each side is because these cameras will slide into each side using the Type-C. It becomes a 360 camera. I'll show you guys how to do that as well. Here is your cigarette lighter with USB on it, and then a Type-C on the end. So it also has your USB here in case you want to, not lose the cigarette lighter portion. Your tool, and then right here is your the actual rear view camera, and it does use a little micro piece right there that will plug into this. So this is wired. It's the first one I've ever seen it's wired. Usually it has a wire and then it plugs in. This one's actually wired straight to it. Those are the components that actually come with this camera itself. So we actually attach these side pieces on here to show you guys what it would look like, and you can move these around, which is pretty cool. So you can pivot these any angle that you want. That makes this really versatile to be able to, change the angle on both sides, just like this. And you have that on both sides. So I want to show you when you turn the LCD on, we went ahead and plugged it in. What it looks like you can select English. Cool. Okay, so here's what it looks like, recording from the first one, and then there's the two side ones right there. Got your time, everything on there. It's actually really nice. I like the way that they have this all set up. You have your little symbols over here. I like that it has your date and stuff and your time. It's actually really nice, and you can change the pivot angle on these, so that'll change both of those. And then you also have a rear camera as well. Here's what the front of the camera looks like. Looks really nice. I mean, it's a very nice looking dash cam. Very nice quality. Definitely does not look cheap at all. Alright, so this is out in the sun. Let me know what you guys think. We'll do some at night as well, but I mean, the quality looks really good on the screen. Now, if it gets larger, I don't know, but with having both of these cameras on here, it makes things really nice because you can see the interior from both angles, from the left and the right. Then you have the front, and then you also have the back. So it does give you a large spectrum of being able to see if somebody was to come and try to hit you on your right or your left, to be able to get both of those, plus have the front, plus have the rear. So that does help a lot when you're trying to sit here and somebody does get into an accident with you. If you have that
that field of view, it's going to make things a lot easier to be able to show somebody what happened to you versus just having front and rear only. I don't know how the stabilization is working right now. I'm hitting a lot of bumps. Quality of the front camera, of the side cameras. Let me know what you guys think of the quality of this driving during the day. The quality looks really, really, really good on the screen. Now, where a lot of these dash cams will suffer is when we get into the night mode. When I drive this at night, that's when you're really gonna see how great these sensors are, because the nighttime and the darkness, that is where these sensors really, really suffer, and that's where they really try to work really hard to bring out the most amount of light that they possibly can. So you'll get a lot of grain, a lot of ISO, where things are going to look fuzzy and grainy when it gets into the dark. So let me know what you guys think of this. I mean, from where it looks on here, it looks great. The field of view looks great. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this at night. So this will be the inside camera. You know, there's two sides and then a front. So let me know what you guys think of the quality of this. It looks really good on the screen. It's doing really well at night. That's where a lot, and I'm hitting some nasty bumps right now. So how does the bumps look when you hit them? But the dash cams really seem to struggle with the dark. So when I showed you the previous videos of it in the light, they all look really pretty decent in the light. You guys, what it looks like. I mean, this is dark minus just the lighting from the street lights, the buildings, things like that. But what do you guys think of this? How does this look? Does it look clear? Does it look really fuzzy? I mean, from where I'm sitting at, it looks really good. But I guess once I blow it up on a larger computer, it's going to look totally different. Here we're coming up on a stoplight. Can you see the details in the stoplights, the cars, the taillights, the license plates? Can you even read a license plate? That's the biggest thing, is can you read a person's license plate when it's this dark? But it does look good from where I'm sitting. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I would love to get your guys' feedback. That's the biggest thing, is, you know, what do you guys think about this? Because you're the consumers, you're the ones buying this. I'm just the one testing this out and showing you guys what it looks like. So let me know what you guys think. It definitely looks good from where I'm sitting, but